avisa.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, here we go. This is for the draw that I was gonna give you guys. This is the first painting that we're gonna be giving away. We're gonna give it a shake to the people who got registered. We're gonna choose one. I have one here. The name for that one is Gail Willis. Gail Willis is the winner for the 12 by 12. All right, this is the first one. Now let's go to the second one. This is the second one. This is a 10 by 20 with a 3 cupping, 1 cup pour. I'm gonna check this again. Not looking. We're gonna take another color, another. This one is Ginian Purdy. Ginian Purdy. Ginian Purdy wins the 10 by 20. Right? I will be sending emails to you guys with the price or to find out where you live in order to get a quotation. Now we're going for the final price, the biggest one. Okay, this is 2 sets. 1 set, I mean. 2 paintings, all right? Let's see. Let's see. Here we go. And the winner, Terry Bagan. Terry Bagan wins the 2 10 by 20s, right? So I will be sending emails to you guys with the instructions on how you will be getting your paintings. That's the website, radacrylic.com. Visit it if you want to buy something. Let me know. Thank you for your subscriptions, and we will do this again when we reach 1,000. So keep sharing and liking, and have a good night. Take care.